What's up, guys? I'm filming a video with my friend, another one. So yeah, we're both gonna be making a video. I'm not sure if she is right now, but she told me that we're gonna do something. So go check out her channel. I think it's her username. I'm just gonna ask her what's the channel name. I forgot what her channel was called, so I'm just asking her right now. Okay, what channel called? You should probably just type in right now. Oh yeah, I can only have 50. Follow me in it and tell them what I'm doing. Okay. So basically, right now, I think she's fixing her house. Yeah, she just put her bed in. Wake up. This isn't really my real skin. We just use the in-game avatar editor. We'll show you what our skins look like later, if we can, or even if we have time. Let's go work. Work. You know what? I'm gonna stay here. Let's go. Whoa. Which way? Which way? Come on. Okay, if you're wondering where we got this, it's actually free in the it's free in the catalog. Just go down into free in the catalog where you get stuff for your avatar. And then go into the free one, the free things, and then it should have this pizza gun. It's called Community Launcher. And we just got double time. Double time, come on. We got double time. So we're just going to work right now. Yeah, so if you shoot people with this, you can give them a badge and a hat. Well, not a hat, but a backpack. There's lots of other event games that you can get stuff in. Oh, wait, okay. Let's go. C2. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I just need... Oh, wait. I forgot to take a car with me. Wait, nah, I was gonna say, does it still show me on break? Come on. Eh. Here you go! You did good. You're welcome. That's good. Can we play something else? I think her channel name is SSS*W Warrior. So 2 S's and 2 W's. That's cute. Oh, come on. Why am I not playing them on? I am the manager! I'm the manager. E, E, E. I'm the manager. Put and go back to work. It's me! Me. Oh my goodness, it's me. Put back to work. Back to work. Hey, hey, hey. Vote for Bean. Why isn't I voting? But Ben? Oh, I forgot I was recording. Oh yeah. Where's my friend? Where'd she go? To play Ninja Tycoon. Okay. Guess I'm gonna be a partner. So if you hear voices in the background, my dog is just going crazy. My parents are trying to stop her. She's like jumping on tables. She's pretty big. Bright Red Ninja. No. 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 Fine. It's the Bright Red Ninja. It's right there. Where is she? No, go away. Okay, I forgot I was recording again. Oh, you go. If you use code NINJA, then you can get the special item, the side, but I'm not sure what it does. Because I'm clicking and it's doing nothing. Dragon boss. Doesn't even how. Ouch. Eh, eh. Great, I died again. Am I even in the same server? I am in the same server. Bright violet. You sure? Bright violet. Oh, here we go. Let me in. Let me in. Let me. Let me in. Let me. Let me in. Oh, that's it. I'm coming for you now. I'm coming for you. This is payback time. Damn it. How did I defeat the dragon boss? It just gave me the badge. Oh my god. I can like buy everything. So far I'm the only bright blue ninja. And now she's a bright red. Oh, I know she's still violet. She's still violet. Okay, I promise I'm not gonna hit you. I promise, okay? I promise. I promise. Why do I keep on forgetting that I'm recording? Okay, peace out guys. Sorry the video's gotta end. Peace out. Click like the bell.